To find hidden apps on the Samsung Galaxy S26, we got actually two methods. The first one, if someone actually hide application in the classic way by using home screen settings, you have to go for Google Play Store and input the name of this application. For example, someone hide Messenger or WhatsApp, so we have to input it. And if this application is available, then you can just open it here from the Google Play Store. But if someone use the secure folder and also hide secure folder, this icon will be not here. So you have to open the quick settings, expand, and here, let me just show you, you have to click on the secure folder, and now you will have to input the password into the secure folder. And now you can find all of those hidden applications, but there's also option to even hide apps in the secure folder. So if there's hidden applications here, you will have to just unselect them like that, click done, and they will be visible just over here.